Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. My microphone wasn't on, but today we're in +1 keyboard escape. I'm glad I did this game a ton on these. Trying to figure out what this is and why this is even here. What is it? Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna ask Google or something. I'm gonna train on my treadmill real quick while you wait. Guys, I'm searching it up. Guys, it's taking me forever because I have to do it on TV, bro. I'm just not gonna search it up, guys. I didn't even search it up. Who wants to listen to every sound in the game? Here's the first one. That's the one you get quick food. Chocolate. That's one of my favorites. No, not that. Not that. Here's candy. I don't like it. I don't like candy. Clacky. I don't like that either. Premium. It's mid. Water. Kind of mid. Bubble. Kind of garbage, I think. Christmas. I don't really like it. Lava. Love it. Not that. This. Honey. I think it sounds pretty good. Slime. It's like mid / like good. Now snow. Guys, wait, let me look at something. No. I know what to do. I know how to deal with this. Put both treadmills on and you get extra speed, guys. It's a trick. I'm gonna let it grind for 5 minutes. Oh yeah. Hear that snow sound? Guys, I'm about to level up. Let's go. Oh, cat pretzels. Those marshmallows look so good. How do I get them, guys? Do I get them from like potato? Yeah. Guys, we're about to, I don't know if I'm gonna level up. I hope I do. I think I will. Hurry game. Can I get +1 TD speed? Oh, yeah. Hurry game, I'm ready to make this video not boring. About to quit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, and if you're if you're really good at this game, you can teleport to like stage 12 for like 5k wins, and then go past this. Oh, and you can do it, even though it says recommend for like 90, you can do it with like 85 speed, and same for this one, you can do this one with level 80. I'm telling you. I did it one time. I am so good at parkour, oh my goodness. Gracious. Infinity Trail. Let's go in first person now and see if we can see them. Wait, I'm gonna turn myself into shift lock. Guys, only have to wait 30 more seconds. Pee potato, pee potato. What's this? Ow. Codes. Code. Social code, year code. It's not even the right code. I tried it before. Reward 15,000 speed. That's like nothing. So, oh guys, it stopped. Yay! Wait, that's kind of cool. Wait. Let me try something. I can't even see. Okay. Guys, next time we play, I think I'll be at World 2, but guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!